guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm your host here, Gigi FAISON, and you are styling with Gigi FAISON. Now guys, today's video is a little bit different today. We will be participating in a challenge, and it is all about creating a hat for the Kentucky Derby. Now I found this hat here at Target, and so what I'm going to do is create it, give it some style as if I was going to the Kentucky Derby. Now this challenge is hosted by my dear sister Jill over at Jill Styling and her two amazing co-hosts. And when I tell you who her co-hosts are, now all of these ladies are fabulous and they all have their own way of doing what they do on their channels. When I say doing what they do, let me put emphasis on doing what they do. Now they do everything from cleaning videos, home decor, shopping hauls, breaking down walls, putting up walls, kicking through walls, building bathrooms, closets, you name it. These three ladies have a little bit of some of that going on in their channel. So I'm going to link their information in my description box below, and all that I ask you to do is visit their channels as they are the host and co-host, and then check out the playlist link that will also be linked in my description box. Are V of Interior Designs by Interior Designs and Lifestyles by V. She just recently changed her name a while back. And then the second co-host is V of Veeology. And as I stated, Jill of Jill Styling and the other two co-hosts will be in the description box below, so please go over and pay them a visit. Now what I am going to do is attempt to create this hat. I have no idea what I'm doing. This is my first time attempting anything like this, and so I think I will get started. But I think I might have another hat that I might want to try. So, okay guys, as you see, I did change out my hat. Now this particular hat has been riding in my car for about 2.5 years. I purchased it right before the shutdown because as we were planning a beach trip, I was getting my things ready, and so this hat just kind of stayed in my car. Now it has somewhat of a stain on it, and I'm not sure what it is. Maybe it's coffee, but I'm going to use this little Tide pen to clear that right up. And I have my glue gun, my glue stick, my feathers, and this ribbon is ribbon that you get when you buy like throw blankets or pillows. I save all that because I can see use for it. So I am going to use that to embellish my hat, along with this Christmas ornament with the pearls. It came with feathers and a clip, and I'm not sure what happened to that, but I'm going to use this to decorate and embellish my hat here, you guys. So I don't know what I'm doing. I am going to wing it, and I will love you guys to wing it with me. So now is the perfect time for you to go ahead, grab your coffee, your tea, or whatever it is that you're going to drink, and get yourself a snack, because guys, there's a playlist link and I want you to see what everybody is creating. Now the host for this is Jill Styling, and she loves the style. Then she's got two co-hosts that loves the style. So guys, we're gonna have some fun here, and with that playlist link of the other creators, sit back and enjoy. We are taking you guys to the Kentucky Derby with our hats. So guys, what I'm doing here is using this Tide pen to see if I can remove that stain, but I've got to figure something else out because the hat is so flimsy, has no shape at all. So I'm going to have to see if I can stiffen it a bit or get something to give it some shape, give it its shape back. I guess if you got tossed around for 2.5 years in the backseat of a car or in the trunk of a car, you probably wouldn't have any shape either. So we're going to go ahead and see what we can do with this. And we're going to share with you guys how we are styling these hats for the Kentucky Derby. And we hope you will enjoy. And make sure you leave comments in the comment section. And if you're new and you love the channels, go ahead and subscribe. It doesn't cost you anything at all. And when you subscribe, make sure you hit the notification bell so you'll always be notified of any uploads. Alright guys, continue watching as I continue to work.
And my world's expanding, feels like love. Even though we're kinda nervous, together we'll be strong. I don't know for sure, all I know this feels like the sweetest breath of air. Oh yeah, it's amazing. At the same time, how you take my breath away. Oh yeah, can't explain. Ooh. You said, do you wanna go out sometime? You don't have to tell me twice. Oh yeah. Then came the rush of butterflies, trembling and building up from deep inside. Feels like love. Cupid made a shot straight into my heart. Now I'm falling fast and my world's expanding. Feels like love. Even though we're kinda nervous, together we'll be strong.
So guys, now that I'm done with the design portion, next you will see the styling. So stay tuned, continue to watch as I style this Kentucky Derby hat for you. So guys, as part of the challenge, we were to share with you how we will style our Kentucky Derby hat. And so this is my contribution to the challenge, and this is how I am styling it. I have on this sheer black top over this beautiful printed dress, and I don't remember where I got this dress from. I shared it once before on my channel, but I don't remember. Maybe it was 2 years ago, right around the shutdown, I think.
갑자기 내게 나타나준 너, 난 아무 말도 할 수가 없었지. 첫눈에 반한다는 이야기가 널 보는 순간 이해가 됐어. 매번 야야야야야 불러 널 야야야야, 내 맘을 고백하려고 타이밍만 보는 나. 그런 나를 넌 보며 왜 그러냐고 묻네, 너 때문에. I'm going crazy. I'm going crazy. 무뎌져 버린 내 가슴이 뛰어. I'm going crazy. Yeah. 시간은 계속 흘러만 가고.
Hey guys, thanks so much for watching. If you're new and you haven't already clicked that subscribe button, then I would love for you to go ahead and do that. Press the subscribe button, the notification bell twice, like, comment, and share. Check out the playlist link of all the other creators. Be blessed, take care, and until the next video, I am your host, Gigi FAISON.
미소만 짓는데. I'm going crazy. I'm going crazy. 무뎌져 버린 내 가슴이 뛰어. I'm going crazy. Yeah. I'm going crazy. 어쩔 수 없는 걸.